That's the new main shaft is right here.
That looks new.
Yeah, we're using new stuff this time.
We used some new stuff last time, but you got cheap, so you reused some stuff.
Yeah, so we're not going to do that this time.
So we reused that piece that failed.
I know, but I don't care about how. No, Rad, when they bills get paid.
So you got a little clip guy right there. I know everybody missed me.
Yeah, sure.
So, welcome back to me.
Junk.
Thank you for my service. Is this clip gonna be fucking junk too?
Yeah, you don't want to reuse a clip.
I'm having some crazy deja vu right now. Like mad crazy deja vu. Yeah.
Is this really junk?
Yeah. I'm gonna sell it on Chopper Swapper for 250 bucks.
Put it in a boring free build?
Yeah. And then I'm gonna raffle it off to 3G Nuck.
Must be a Tatro exclusive, I guess.
Yeah. A Tatro exclusive rebuild. Exclusive. Would it be better to use a brand new clip?
No, you're cheap.
No, seriously. I'm not fucking with this shit anymore. So I'm not sorry for swearing. I'm not putting garbage in this tranny.
He wants a clean tranny this
Yeah,
time.
I want a clean tranny.
Dirty ones you're used to.
Yeah, not them dirty, filthy, heathen trannies with all sorts of bodily fluids.
Patient.
No.
About the girlfriend again.
Hey, talking about Walker's.
She's gonna be so mad.
Yeah, she might see that, teacher.
Yeah. She's probably one of your only female watchers.
All three of them?
Yeah. And they're all over 65.
I like it.
At least.
Thank you to the three ladies watching
Yeah.
teacher. He appreciates it, and he is single.
Yeah, he is super single. We're actually setting up a blind date service for Tatro. So if you're ready and willing,
See all the crap was in there?
yeah, let's change that out.
Are those reusable or no?
I would rather not use junk in my transmission, please, sir. Oh no, you'll run it. It's Walker.
Well, if you didn't want junk, you shouldn't have got an Ironhead.
Nah, he races. He races them. He has a soft spot for the Ironheads. He loves them. He's like, oh, this is bullshit, but he races them. Goddamn piece of shit. Oh, but I'll race the shit out of him and kick the crap out of everybody.
Come on, calm down.
There you go.
They do tag my video still.
Who tags?
Stop snitching, whoever snitched.
Yeah, snitch ass snitchers.
Yep.
Go vote for Obama.
Snowflakes.
Obama.
Is all that junk?
That's junk.
That sounds perfect.
No, this piece right here is junk though. See? Clickety clown.
Quiet now.
Yeah, they make no noise.
What's your bearing?
You're gonna grab a nice brand new bearing to put in this thing so it runs super sweet. Super sweet. Tonight's video is sponsored by Truly.
No, you get mine. No, YouTube. The flag it. Flag it, dude.
It's not.
That was just a joke.
Look at these sponsored bearings. Bearing sponsor.
From some factory in Taiwan.
Tatro needs a bearing sponsor, so any of you sponsor bearing guys out there, go ahead and sponsor Tatro with your bearings.
Shop scouts.
Yeah, see, you need to sharpen that thing. There we go.
You mean scraping carbon out of panhead cylinders is not good for your eye?
No, it's not.
No.
Oh well.
Too late.
Wow, you were scraping off Sportster gaskets.
Yeah. Scrapity scrap. What? Are we coming back? Oh, we're gonna go over to the press.
I'm running away.
Do a little pressy poos. How many pumps do you think you could do it in? Two pumps.
Should I use
Three.
the back tank? Should I use the back tank?
To clean it? Yeah, right now.
Okay.
Yeah, you could just move my shit out of the way. My stuff. Sorry for swearing.
No, you're not.
Oh, I was sorry for that one. I was sorry for that one. Genuinely.
That'd be the first one.
No.
So you're a 4-pumper. Got that down in 4 pumps.
So where's your washer at?
Where is my washer at? Worsher. You need worse the core.
Oh, yeah. It's
Washer.
all straight up right
Which washer?
The one that goes in here.
I don't know which one that looks like. Oh, it came with it? Well, there's nothing here. There's nothing in this bag. Those are too big. These?
Nope.
Yeah, see, nothing came in the bag there, guy.
It's in here later.
Oh, it was in the bag, right? It's in the bag, right? Where's my washer?
Technically, it's a
Spacer.
spacer.
There we go.
Yeah, baby girl trying to get off me.
Brand spanking new.
Where's the main shaft?
My main shaft is right over here. Excuse me, fellas. Need to get that main shaft shafted. Are we pressing this on?
That'll be pressed on.
I don't know what we're doing. I've never rebuilt a transmission before. I mean, I did once,
Look at that.
and
You're
it broke.
so close.
Tatro.
Appears to be fitting.
Good.
Is that a good sign?
It's a beautiful sign.
Good for him.
Oh, fuck it, it's for water. That doesn't sound good.
I got a tier bike. It's all right.
See? And then he wonders why I fucking come back all the time because my shit breaks.
It's all part of his master plan.
Yeah, I'm gonna fucking shit up for the rest of his life.
Does he keep coming back and making videos?
He's
Oh,
never,
Yeah.
he's never
Huge,
gonna leave
baby.
me.
Yeah. He times it out perfectly so when there's a lull in business, my fucking bike breaks.
He runs by your house, dumps some stuff in your oil.
Yeah, lapping fucking shit right in my
Grabs some
oil
ball
tank.
bearings in your oil bag.
Yeah. This'll get him.
Oh, I guess a bushing glue.
Oh, that must have been it. Well, maybe you should have put good stuff in it.
Where's your tube at?
What tube?
The one that goes over the gear.
It's right over there. I can see it from here.
Yeah, where's it at?
It's right in front of you.
This one?
No, that's not the right tube. You're missing it. There it is. No, that's not it. It's the one that's laying down. There you go. That'll work.
How about a wide glide fork tube?
That'll work.
I don't know. Looks pretty close. Is it gonna fit or not?
I think it will.
Just barely?
Just barely.
Nope.
No? Just two? Just too small?
It's too big.
Too big?
Too big, doesn't work. Like this one. How about the nut? We can use the nut.
All right.
I think it's gonna pie enough bullet.
You need to put those on the side. It's so loud.
What if I break them?
You won't break it.
Maybe I'll bend them.
Probably.
I lost my nut.
He lost his nut
He lost that many years ago.
to a woman named Russell. Look at how good that spins now. Look at this.
That is beautiful.
This is great. This is great. Things are moving along.
Things are happening. Things are going.
I like it. We might need a new fork though, because this thing is pretty beat up. Don't worry about that guy.
Oh, we didn't talk about
I
that.
think that goes right there.
Alright, get your pants back on the back.
Get your pants back on.
Put your fucking pants back on.
Walker, you're lazy.
Yeah, man, this is YouTube. He just lost 30 views because of you.
He did. I'm sorry. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Smash that like button.
Smash that like button. Just don't hit it regular. Just beat it up. Like a disobedient stray dog.
Your parts we're supposed to use.
What are you looking for?
Parts.
Oh, the part we're not supposed to use, but we're going to use anyways?
Is this one of them?
No. We're not putting garbage back in this thing. So if you have a better gear, let's put it in there.
Where's your washer to go there?
A washer.
Probably in a bucket of crap we took.
Let's put a new one in then.
I need one that came out of it. I need one.
I don't know. All the training stuff's right there.
Grab the bucket.
Need a
Grab the
washer.
little bucket.
The bucket.
Where's your
Washers
bucket?
that go between here and here.
Don't you have one of
What
those?
the hell is this piece of crap?
See, let's put a new one in then. And I bet that new one has a washer with it. Weird.
He's thinking about it. He's like, should I mess up Walker's leg this way? Or he looked at it too much, so now he has to find a different way. You're ruining his plans.
Yeah.
Figure out what the hell this piece of crap came from.
Wow. He didn't even know what he put in my bike. You rebuilt this last time there, Tatro. We have that on tape. I've
You
got
have
you.
evidence?
I've got you on tape.
Candid camera.
Well, I don't know where this came from. I just built it.
Piece of junk.
It's a junk. It's a junk.
Piece of junk. Okay, where's your washers? There's some washers in here.
Let me get the big
Walker
box.
washer now. Stack.
Is that middle one jacked up?
It's got an in play in it now.
So let's not have end play on it.
We want it.
We do?
Yeah.
I think do we need a new fork?
Why?
Because it seems kind of beat up.
I need a thing to go in there.
Ow, motherfucker.
Hey, stop swearing.
Stabbed me in my finger with that busted thing. I got tetanus.
Sue him.
COVID-20 now.
COVID-20.
Dude, he has some new strains.
That goes in the primary.
Not what I need.
Stab myself in something.
That's right. We need a,
You need a lock washer?
no, we need a bushing.
Does that have things in it?
Resembles this one.
It resembles what?
Resembles this one.
I'm looking for something.
Yeah, it's right here.
Is that it?
Yeah, it's right in there.
Oh.
Where?
Right here. Pull this thing out.
What the hell are we doing that for?
I don't know. Someone put it in
Is
there.
that really it?
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't know who did that.
I stabbed myself for that.
I haven't-
Patient zero over here, all for you.
That looks like a 10.
It looks like a 10.
Up or down, I can't tell.
Kids are
Pretty sure this one is down here.
Oh, it'll be fine. It'll be fine.
Stuff like that there?
Later.
Can we put new stuff in there to make it work better?
No.
What?
Because you're not going to pay for a walker, that's why it's here.
This doesn't shift either. Why did that just move? Who's gonna sabotage shit harder on me?
You have. You're the only one who's touched this shit.
You said he's been sodomizing?
Have you been sodomizing my tranny?
So this is a big washer and a snap clip for there.
Is it?
You didn't clean any of this stuff like you should.
Yeah, because we're not getting to that part right now.
You mean Walker didn't clean the Tatro?
It's hard to believe he didn't clean his underwear.
Weird.
When is Walker never clean? Your consolation prize. Welcome to Tatro.
You got a
I
box.
think the first time I came here, he gave me a box also.
Alright, so you're missing the washer and the clip that goes on that. Just hold this thing together so it doesn't fall apart.
It's a small washer.
It's a big washer actually. It's this diameter here, but with a small hole.
Alright, let me.
And there's a snap ring to hold it on,
Here, let me see what's over there.
which is all.
Yeah, I didn't touch any of that stuff. So
Yeah, me either.
how do you take off a snap ring, buddy, without a tool?
Oh,
Mm.
I didn't see it in here, but. You've been
Yeah,
over
because it wasn't on there.
You've been over here hiding stuff from me and sabotaging stuff.
Oh, I've been sabotaging stuff. Says the man that says, "Oh, fuck it, we'll put it in your bike."
We got 4 missing parts so far.
Yeah, because they're probably the parts that got eaten up.
It's hard eating up those washers. The whooshers.
Yeah, they're not over there. You
Yeah.
got like nothing left over there, really.
Yeah, I know.
Except a kicker thing.
Well, there was a whole lot of glitter in my.
Yeah, there was. There was a lot of
There's a
metal.
lot
in
of
here.
stuff that's missing for here too.
Yeah, so let's put stuff back on so it works properly.
And I noticed you got a lot of fresh impact marks here in the shifter shaft that you've been doing something to.
Yeah, because it wasn't shifting.
He's been eating on it.
Geez, I wonder why it wasn't shifting, because maybe that's not being held in there. And then you're,
So how am I supposed to know that?
and then you're gouging in the side of it here with a
He's
lever.
teaching now. He's teaching.
Yeah. Well, now I know.
So now we gotta get the shifter out so you can fix the lever, the shaft. So you have to get the shaft out of the bike. It's all stuck in there.
Shaft isn't in the bike, so
You're gonna have to figure out where the hell the missing parts
The
are.
kicker shaft?
we flushed the tranny out completely.
Then you gotta figure out all the missing parts are that were not here.
Those are blown up.
You didn't blow those up.
I know.
Let's just put new ones in there.
Ain't gonna be stuck on none of that shit.
Why is this out?
He was looking at it, touching it.
We're replacing this one for some reason?
It was in the pile of parts.
Oh, it's because of
Yeah.
gear damage you didn't like. Jeez, I just got done putting it all together. Damn. Fucking sabotaging things on me again.
Oh, I'm sabotaging things.
Wait, I thought you did put it on the new one. Oh, the gear.
Yeah.
Oh. Put on the old.
He's trying to make me look bad.
Oh,
On the YouTubes?
Yes.
yeah, it's totally my fault.
Sabotage
Those
them, man.
those YouTube guys.
The YouTube guys.
Zuckerberg!
Them Zuckerbergs.
I've been zucked
You just
again.
got zucked off.
That's right. This clip don't want to come off now either.
Yeah, because you smashed it with a hammer.
Somebody zuck me.
I hate that so much.
I hate that so much.
Alright, interruption.
God damn it.